Porch Renovation explained. Beautify your home entrance. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of home improvements, specifically focusing on porch renovations. Whether you're looking to enhance the curb appeal of your home or create a cozy outdoor space, understanding porch renovation is key. Let's uncover the ins and outs of transforming your porch into a welcoming and beautiful space. Porch renovation involves upgrading, redesigning, or reconstructing the entrance area of a house. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality and safety. From choosing the right materials to designing a layout that complements your home, every detail matters. It's an opportunity to express your style while increasing your home's value. Before you start swinging hammers, planning is crucial. Consider these steps. 1. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend. This will guide your decisions on materials, design, and labor. 2. Design and layout. Think about the purpose of your porch. Do you want a space for relaxation, entertainment, or both? Design accordingly. 3. Choose materials. Select materials that are durable, weather-resistant, and match the style of your home. 4. Get permits. Some regions require permits for construction work. Check your local regulations to avoid any legal issues. 1. Demolition. This might involve removing old flooring, railings, or steps. 2. Construction. Based on your design, construct the new elements of your porch. This might include laying new flooring, constructing walls or railings, and adding a roof or awnings for shade. 3. Decoration and furnishing. The final touch. Add outdoor furniture, plants, and lighting to make your porch inviting and comfortable. Renovating your porch can be a rewarding project that not only beautifies your home but also provides a serene space to relax and entertain. With careful planning, a touch of creativity, and a bit of hard work, you can transform your porch into a stunning entrance that reflects your personal style. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of porch renovation. Happy renovating, and see you in the next video.